After receiving your trademark application number, you can move to the next stage, enrolling your brand in Amazon Brand Registry. To begin, visit brandservices.amazon.com and click Get Started. The process includes 3 main stages: confirming eligibility, submitting your enrollment, and accessing benefits after approval. Before applying, make sure your Amazon Seller Central account is verified and enrolled in the professional plan, since brand registry tools are not available to individual plan sellers. Next, confirm that your brand meets the eligibility requirements. Your brand must have either a pending trademark application or an active registration, and it can be text-based or image-based. For each marketplace or country where you plan to register, you must hold either a valid or pending trademark filed with an officially recognized government intellectual property office. Once you are ready, go back to the Brand Services website, click Enroll Now, and choose Add a New Brand. Enter your brand name exactly as it appears in your trademark filing, ensuring correct spelling, capitalization, and spacing. Upload your brand logo if available. If your trademark is a word mark, you can upload the logo you plan to use on Amazon, as long as it appears on a clean, white, or transparent background. If you do not yet have a logo, you may upload a high-quality image of your brand name for now, but avoid using product photos in this section. Then, select the trademark office where your application was filed, typically the USPTO, and input your application or registration number. Click Verify, confirm that you are the trademark owner, and upload your filing receipt or registration certificate. After verification, select the product categories that best describe your items. You can also enter ASINs of your existing listings and optionally include your brand, website, or store links, which can strengthen your application. In the Product Images section, upload at least one photograph showing your brand name permanently displayed on your product or its packaging. The branding must be permanent printed, stitched, engraved, or stamped, not added digitally or with removable stickers. Clear, natural photos from multiple angles work best. If your product is still in production, request branded packaging or samples from your manufacturer to submit as proof. Finally, enter your business details. Most sellers will select seller as their business type and provide company registration information, address, and zip code. Describe your manufacturing and distribution setup. Private label sellers should choose I have my own manufacturing. Amazon may request an invoice or manufacturing agreement dated within the past 6 months to verify your relationship. For distribution, most sellers will select No, and for licensing, also select No unless your brand is officially licensed to another company. Once you review and submit your application, Amazon typically approves brand registry enrollments within 7 to 10 business days. If it takes longer, you can check your application status in the Brand Registry dashboard or contact support.